Okay, in this example, we want to find the mean, and we got group data. So download the group data descriptive statistics spreadsheet. Now, when you only have one value, like here we only have a 1, then you want to put that both in the LCL and the UCL, and then the appropriate frequency. And all my LCLs and UCLs correspond. This is 1 through 10, 1 through 10, 1 through 10. So I'm just filling in my frequency now. 1, 4, 8, 3, 4, 10, 12, 7, 5, and 1. Double check that. 1, 4, 8, 3, 4, 10, 12, 7, 5, 1. And this is asking for the mean. So our mean is going to be 5.81818, rounded to wherever decimal place.